Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prepping the device. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and your battery is healthy because downloads can stall on low power. Once ready, clear enough storage, typically 100 MB to a few GB depending on the map area. Next, open the map app and navigate to the region you want offline. You will tap the area name or menu and choose Download Offline Map. This starts the only reliable workflow. Follow on-screen prompts and don't switch apps while the first chunk saves. You now refine the download so it fits storage and use. First, zoom and pan to include exactly the streets, trails, or landmarks you need. Larger zoom equals bigger files. Then rename the map for quick recall and pick storage location, internal or SD card, which affects access speed. While downloading, keep the app foregrounded, monitor progress, and tap pause if your network drops. Once chunks complete, the app verifies files automatically, but you can resume any interrupted segments manually. You finish by accessing the saved area via the Offline Maps menu and start navigation exactly as online, but now without data. Make sure to schedule or manually refresh maps over Wi-Fi to keep roads and transit info current. Most apps alert you when an update is available. If navigation fails, first clear the app cache and check storage permissions. If that does not help, delete the offline map and re-download the same area. That one troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.